And this one's getting her hair done, plus making breakfast for everybody. As we... I don't even know what that is. It looks like a tomato, but it's like a rainbow bagel.
Yeah, it's a rainbow bagel.
Well, we are going to go on a hike today. We're in the Poconos for just a few days here.
What?
And we're getting ready. It's a Saturday morning. It's the last weekend before their cyber school year starts. We're just letting everybody sleep in, enjoy their last weekend. But we're going to head over to Dingman Falls and some other one. What is this place? What is it? Raymondskill. Something. Raymond's.
The top two largest, tallest waterfalls in Pennsylvania.
Two tallest waterfalls in Pennsylvania. So, we've been to Bushkill Falls. That one's like private. You have to pay, and it's a whole thing. Dingman's Falls is in Dingman's Ferry area in Pennsylvania, and it's part of the Delaware National Water Gap Recreational Center, right? Or recreational area, something like that.
Yes.
So I don't know if there's fees. I don't know. I just like to just go, and I figure it out when we get there. All right, so we are at the Dingman Falls Visitor Center here. This is part of the Delaware Water Gap National Recreation Area. It's only a 0.3 mile hike out to the falls and then 0.3 mile hike back. I believe it is a boardwalk trail all the way out. At least it's starting out as a boardwalk trail. So this is beautiful here in the Pocono Mountains. The camera probably just does not do it justice, but we're gonna try to show you all this beauty here. But if you are in the Pocono area, you have to check this place out. It's just beautiful, and it's towards the end of summer, so the trees are just starting to turn. I can't even imagine what this would look like during the actual, like, deep into fall when all these trees have changed colors, but it is just peaceful. You probably can't hear that, but just try to listen.
Well, one of you can carry it on the way out, one of you can carry it on the way back.
We haven't even started on the trail yet, and you already have to have a snack?
Haven't even ate lunch yet, and it's already lunchtime.
It's true. Silver Thread Falls.
There's the sky. There's the sky.
Wow. Look how high up that goes. There's like multiple levels to it. Come all the way over here so you can see. See how it starts all the way up there? For?
Daddy, look. This is the lizard.
So you guys are drawing everything that you're seeing here.
I'm just writing down the sensory guide.
Oh, okay. And you are drawing everything. Pretty cool. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. This like orange
I saw it right here.
thing over here. I don't know what that is. It's like a mushroom? Is that what you said? It kind of looks like an orange mushroom fungus.
The ranger gave us this little junior ranger bag to take with us, and it had clipboards of paper so we can draw and record what we observed. It has magnifying glass and binoculars. And then at the end of our hike, we're going to return it and earn our badge.
That was like similar to
Daddy, I
Rocky
do
Mountain
it.
National Park, where they gave us like a bag.
What I do. This is a beaver eating a log. This is the orange lizard, I think, that I saw. This is a chipmunk that my mom saw, and this is the orange muffin.
Perfect.
Lost her little pencil on the boardwalk there. Woo, luckily we found it before we got too far. Oh, I saw a really cool kind of mushroom fungus thing over here. There's like a yellow one down there. And I don't know if it was over here or back there. But I saw another like a white and red. Oh yeah, right there. Cool.
These weird things. They just look like white things, but they're actual insects sucking out the sap from these trees.
What do you hear?
A waterfall.
You hear a waterfall?
Listen to those falls. All right, right down the road from Dingman Falls is the Pocono Environmental Education Center, and we're checking this out now. I don't really even know what this is, but we're always down for an education center. What else do we have in Pennsylvania? Great horned owl, short-eared owl, barred owl, barn owl, snowy owl here in Pennsylvania. Okay.
So cute. It's adorable. Oh, and I think I see that. Yeah, it's adorable.
Osprey. You're like a red-tailed hawk, basically. Almost an osprey. And you are a pleated woodpecker or American crow.
Yeah, almost the red-tailed hawk.
These wings beat 190 times per second. That's crazy. Remember saw the moose in Rocky Mountain? You can take one of those to learn more about insects, it says, if you want.
Funguses.
Fungusology? Fungomology?
Snakes. Oh, Pennsylvania. Ooh, salamanders.
Right here.
Any of the red news?
This dude right here. This thing?
Yeah,
And then probably turns into that.
yeah.
Red F'd, number 4.
Yeah.
They don't have numbers up here though. But I would assume that's number 4. The red F is an immature red spotted newt. And then 4A is this. Then it becomes this.
Yeah.
Well, these don't have numbers on them. Oh, right here, 4. Yeah, 4 and then 4A. So we saw this, and then it becomes this. And it has red, it's a red spotted, so that's why they're two different. They're in two different stages. So the red F, and then it's gonna, right. That looks pretty cool, green with red spots. This one, this would be number 14. That is a northern red.